let us spill this already spilled juice and get into some entertainment news. Guys, we are back with the Real Housewives of Durban and the drama that happened today, which was very much unexpected considering a lot of people said the finale or the sit down was boring, right? Now, we were all scared that Sorisha is not going to come back for whatever reasons. But in her first interview post-reunion, Sorisha spills the tea on her current state of mind and how she feels about her co-stars, right? She said the first question is, how do you feel about everything that was said about you in the finale? And she said it was very hard to watch the finale episode and not feel certain way about it. I feel very disheartened and nobody felt that they had to apologize to me. By the time the apology was trying to come through at the reunion, I was over it. I was already checked out. And then the second question says, since filming the reunion and leaving in the middle of it, have you had a change of heart? Yes, the minute I came back to my family, my friends, and my inner circle, I felt so calm and balanced. I left everything that happened at the reunion. I am in a good place, surrounded by love and positive energy. I'm not even thinking about anything from that day. And then the third question says, you left the reunion early. Is there anything that was unsaid on your part? Her response was, I was there for 90% of the time. I was hoping that they would clarify some issues and be able to amicably work some things out, but that did not happen. People were very hard in their mindset and they weren't going to change their mind, so there was no point in saying certain things, right? And the fourth question, you previously said that you knew who your friends were and you knew the people who you did not want to be around. After the reunion, do you still feel the same? For me, my friends are the awesome four. We are still tight, we still chat on a daily, and more than ever, I have cemented how I feel about everyone else. Fifth question, what did season 4 teach you about yourself? Season 4 gave me some lessons. Watching the show, there were things I uncovered about myself. I learned to trust in myself more and not always want to please people. The other question was, as one of the OGs of Durban, are you going to be back for season 5 if there is one? If there is a major shakeup and the show is more aspirational and we see each other as women and not anything else, I would be back. Hey, Ugirl saying I would be back. Despite the hate, despite all the things, Ugirl is saying she will be back. So yeah, let's wait for season 5. But while we wait, please do like, share, and subscribe.